Alright, let's get started again on number 67. If Reid is traveling at a speed of 44 feet per second, how many miles will he travel in an hour, given that 1 mile equals 5,280 feet? So I had actually just worked on this problem, and I got to the end and realized I had forgotten to keep track of my factoring and had an incorrect answer, so we're doing this again. There we go. 44 feet per second. We need to convert that into feet per hour to start. So that's equal to, there's 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour. So that's equal to 44 times 60 times 60 feet per hour. Okay. And now we need to convert it into miles per hour. And there is 1 mile, 5,280 feet. So that means we have 44 times 60 times 60 miles, all right, per 5,280 hours. And the question is, how many miles will he travel in 1 hour? So, the number of miles he goes is equal to 44 times 60 times 60 miles per hour times 1 hour, right? And we know that that still equals 44 times 60 times 60 over 5,280. And you might grab your calculator at this point and think, oh, let's get the answer. But we can actually start factoring this out, and we realize that we've got 44 times 6 times 6 times 10 times 10, and 528 times 10. And the last time I was doing the problem, here's where I made my mistake. I forgot to keep track of that extra 10, so I'm going to put that out front this time. And we'll go with 10 times 44 times 3 times 3 times 2 times 2, because 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And I'm going to factor out 4 here. I'm going to divide 528 by 4, and that goes in 4 times 1. 4 goes into 5 once, leaving me with 12. 1, 3, 2, 132. Right? And we'll just do that again. 2 times 132 is 264, and 2 times 264 is equal to 2 times 250, plus 2 times 14. Yep, so that would be equal to 528. So now we've got, we can cancel those out. So that's equal to 10 times 44 times 3 times 3 times 132, or divided by 132. Let's rewrite that over here. And we know, let's go with 10 times 22 times 2, 3 times 3, factor that again, that would be equal to 2 times 66 That would be equal to 10 times 11 times 2 times 3 times 3, and that would be equal to 33 times 2. Cross those out. 10 times 11 times 3 times 3 divided by 3 times 11, because 33 equals 3 times 11. Cross those out. Here's the answer, 3 times 10, or 30. In the previous time that I did this, like I said, I forgot to keep track of that factor of 10, and I said the answer was 3. The answer is not 3, it's 30. And if you're careful with your factoring, you'll get the correct answer. Or if you have a calculator available, you could just punch that in. But I think it's fun to do that mental math there.